You guys have been having a terrible...
growing up, sneaking red wine in a paper cup.
I'm shocked.
We saw the world so differently. Talk about things we'd never be. 17, we're still so young. Waiting outside for you to pick me up. Driving so fast we couldn't see. Everything changed so
What's
suddenly.
up, guys?
I moved to Brooklyn, you begged me to stay.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Onyii'Corner. How are you guys doing? It's been a while since I last vlogged. You guys have been having a terrible week. Like, this week started terribly for me. Oh my god. I'm all changed now. Let's go to the kitchen. So they're having some kind of crusade in our street, so everywhere is like really noisy right now. And you know, in Nigeria, if you try to complain about noise that is being made by churches, it will be like you're the Satan, you're the devil yourself. So everybody's just swallowing everything like that. Anyway, let's just continue. I'm about to make her, but first of all, I need to clean a lot of mess here. I need to clear up the sink and cook.
All the effortless nights that I spent with you, 'cause it's true, I never wanted to fight on our every move. You said don't you worry, it's not you, it's just me, my love. So don't waste it on me, you'll find somebody who's enough for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
For a while now, my pap has been turning out really smooth. Like, I'm shocked, honestly, because other times if I make it it's not as smooth as this. So I said, let me try not using the very hot water to make it. You know, if you want to make pap, you dissolve it in water and wait for the water to boil, for hot water to boil before you now add the hot water. But these days, when the water boils, I turn off the gas and then I wait for a while, and then I open the kettle too, so that the steam will reduce. Once the steam reduces, I use it and make the pap, and it turns out really well. So I'm about to have pap and bread. I don't know, this is a classic Nigerian meal. I would love to add milk, but you guys, I'm lactose intolerant. I know if I add milk now, it's going to disturb my stomach for the rest of the day, and I don't want that. So like, I added too much sugar. This brings back so many memories. I legit miss my siblings, you guys. Like, we talk on the phone, we always video call, we chat on WhatsApp, but not the same as when I wasn't married, when I was still in my parents' house. So if you're still in your parents' house, please maximize your time with your siblings, because you're gonna miss them when you get married. If you're still in your parents' house, try to create fun memories with your siblings, okay? try to, because when you get married you're going to miss every bit, like every inch, every bit of them, no matter how much you guys fight and quarrel. Because sometimes there's this siblings quarrel, whichever type of family you find yourself, just make sure you create like a lot of fun memories with your siblings, because you guys, marriage can be actually lonely. It's not about your spouse. You know, your spouse can't fill up the gap of your siblings, you know that, right? Like no matter how much they try to be, I know people say your husband is your father, your brother, your sister and everything. You guys is never the same, okay? Even if you're with your husband 247, there are times you would want to be with your siblings. Like there are times you remember maybe something that you guys did when you were still a little bit younger, and you just be smiling sheepishly. Now if you're the type that is always quarreling with your siblings, you're just going to be regretting, why didn't you use this opportunity to do this one, to do that one. So bottom line is, if you're still in your parents' house, and like try to create really fun memories with your family, with your parents, with your siblings, because once you get married you're gonna miss that, okay? That's just my little take, because I, for one, no matter how much I chat to my siblings, we video call, we always calling and gisting, no matter how much I try to catch up with what's going on in their lives, as long as I'm not there, like I'm not there present, I feel like I'm missing out on, like, I don't know, some things. I don't know, do you feel that way? If you're married, please let me know. Do you also miss your siblings, or is it like when you got married you were like everybody bye bye? Is it like that for you? Let me know in the comment section. I'm seriously sweating, man. This account is still very, very hot, and we don't have light, so I'm using the hand fan.
Carry me go where my blessings day, carry me go where my progress day. Me draw my soon, angel me masun. Carry me go where my blessings day, carry me go where my success day. Mi ba mi she, eleda mi ba mi show. Jackie go edele, Jackie go edele. Mi ba mi she, eleda mi ba mi show. Jackie go edele, Jackie go edele. I want that good life, I want that sweet life, I want that fancy life. I don't want to live a fast life. Oluwa ba mi she o, go Jackie go ede o. Say now your hand ide o, they make you bless my way, as I know we like so. Whoa whoa yeah, make I know carry last so. Baba, as I know we like so. I the beg oh yeah, make I know carry last so. Oh yeah, me draw my soon, eleda me draw my soon. Carry me go where my blessings day, carry me go where my progress day. Oh yeah, me draw my soon, angel me masun. Carry me go where my blessings day, carry me go where my success day. Oh mi ba mi she, eleda mi ba mi show. Jackie go edele, Jackie go edele. Mi ba mi she, eleda mi ba mi show. Jackie go edele, Jackie go edele. Amen, amen, amen. Mo ma riwe ba. Amen, amen, amen. Mo ma ranu ba. Amen, amen, amen. Mo ma go edele. Amen, amen.
What's up guys? So I'm currently editing. I have a lot of videos, like I have a lot of footages that I filmed before I went on a short break. I had to take a break, so I needed to cool off. The stress was getting too much for me, so I'm trying to edit all the footages I have. But I just want to end this vlog here because I feel like it's getting too long. So, and I don't even know what and what is in the vlog, but of course it's going to be okay. Anyway, if you enjoyed my content, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, you guys. I don't know why a lot of people watch without subscribing. I don't know what the issue is, but please click the subscribe button below and turn on your post notification. You can also drop a comment in the comment section. Try to engage with my videos, that way I get to know you guys too, because I also want to know my subscribers. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Go